Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the flying camel. So I'm just going to share some tips and tricks, exercises that'll help you, and I'm also going to share the most common mistakes you make. So what I like to do first is to practice the flying camel on the boards. So what I'm doing here is I'm just lifting my right leg, hip is turned out, and then I try to keep it up as I jump onto the other leg, and then trying to keep the left leg up as I jump onto it, and also turning the hip out. And then what I like to do next is just balance myself on the board, lift my leg, and just practice my hip turns. So I'm turning my hip out, turning it in and out and in. So now we're actually going to try the flying camel, and first I like to try with minimal speed, really paying attention to the preparation, the first part, which is the forward outside edge. I really want to make sure that I'm making it almost like I'm going into a forward camel. So I'm really holding it, holding my leg back, keep my hips back, try not to turn them in, and then I try to jump and keeping the left leg up, turned out. So here, we're gonna try it with a little bit more speed. Here it's kind of fast, but you get the picture of how it should look like. So once again, when I'm going for the 3-turn, or if you're going back crossovers, however the preparation you prefer, I'm really making sure that I'm doing the forward camel, and then I kick my leg. I make sure that the leg stays up and I don't go down with my body or jerk anywhere as I am landing onto the other side. So once again, after the preparation, I make sure that my arms and shoulders are in the same place as my hips. Then I jump, and I make sure that my left leg is up, turned out. And while I'm doing the jump, I try not to jerk my body down or my leg or anything. And then I just try to hold that spin. So first mistake is to have your body way too upright, which will send the flying camel flying like an axel or waltz jump. You want to make sure that you're bending your knees and your body is a little bit forward, almost like you're going into a forward camel. Next mistake is, as I mentioned, you don't want to jerk your body down after you do the jump. So you want to keep the leg up in the same height as it was jumping. You don't want to let it go down. You don't want to let your body go down too long and then missing the momentum, and then you have to jump way later than you should be. So here you can see I'm holding it, missing it completely. And then you lose a lot of speed and stability. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked that video. Let me know if you want to see something else in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at SofaBar. So until next time, guys, bye.